Guys, for today we're gonna play games. Huh? Cancel. I don't know why, but my mom isn't here. Today we're gonna play this. Continue. But yeah, you remember me? We're not gonna play here. Locations here. Remember this location, right? Oh, they're gonna switch places. But sorry, this late episode of part 2 is here for today. Sorry about that. While these guys are gonna get. Oh no, how can we do this? Don't worry, get your guns. While these guys are staying here for too long because they're- everybody will gonna this incident. They're also gonna get some guns. Locker, no dapat. That can explore the whole place. I can look at it. Look, if I put that here with one zombie. Oh yeah, it exploded one too. Anyways, I'm delete you and leave the gun. Because I did it. And finally, there is this game isn't. What's your gun? Okay. Funbot. Get this. Funbot! B-U-T-T. Yeah, and Radio get a shotgun. While Oren get the delusional. Delusional. Oh, for that. Delusional. Oh my god, wait. These two guys got stuck after I'm saying this incident again. This guy, only fun but was the moment to see people that were incident by smiling and ain't smiling, but the other ones are too late to make. And mostly sky is like here, but no, randomly they can die from this ended. Oh my god, took lockers. So sorry, but oh my god, Doctor 5 foot 1. This guy, yeah, he will change faces. Wow, I forgot to put Pinky here. Yeah, he's gonna get ini mana mo. Yeah, and guys, you have to make your food. Oh my god. Okay. Pinky, Most of them, but Valeria, I don't. They're not. Oh my god. Two yellow. Oh my god. How did he jump like that? Hey bro, stop jumping. Stop jumping, alright? Like that. Bubblegum 1. Bubblegum 2. 3. Bubblegum 4. Bubblegum 5. Bubblegum 6. Bubblegum 7. 8. 10. Okay. What? I mean, sorry about this. Cl- Cracker 1 was supposed to be a builder, not join the company. And this other clocker was a Viking after all. And Skies were a doctor. Funbot was one of the actors but joined here. Mostly Vineria, nothing but she gets his cost. She's anyway. And who gets no bitches? I mean sorry. They're attracting to people. Most of them can be like, oh my god. Oh, I know this one. One. Oh my god. How did he did that? How did he did that? Wait, guys, tell me in the comments. Okay, you know what? I'm just getting no bitches for this. Who's gonna get it? Ow. Now they got armor. Anybody can go there. No. No, yes, Binarium. Yeah. Anyways, oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Just do it. I forgot. Yes. King Testator. We will secure you. About this building. I also that's kinda creative. Get all of those things. We'll prepare yourselves. Oh my god, Sky. They don't know that there's one here too. Oh, nice builder. What is for mostly everybody's turn. Hey King, yeah. Um can wait. Can two Simons guard you? Yeah, me. Me? Yeah, it's okay. For Simon one, me here. Okay, come here. You're my guardian son. Okay. Oh let me follow. Simon Toe. Simon Toe. Let's check Simon Toe if he's in the bottom. Oh no. Simon Toe will be just yeah. Get your biggest banner. Yeah. Thanks for that. Yeah. Thank you. What? Oh, okay. While we're gonna get more than ano yung ulam? Ah. Oh, tay! Tay ka! Tay ba? Part 2 coming soon!